Welcome to our Saha Computer Center. In this tutorial, we will learn about inventory management system. In the first part, we have learned about this item list, invoice view, purchase data, sales data, stock, item to order, and the helper sheet. And in this second part of this tutorial, we will learn about the VBA macros to automate this inventory management system. So, if you have not watched the first part, please watch the first part. I have given the link in the description box. Please click the link and watch that video so that you can understand this part clearly. And if you have enjoyed and learned from it, please hit the like button to appreciate my work. So let's begin the tutorial without wasting any time. So first we will learn how to save this purchase invoice or sales invoice into our purchase data and sales data. For that we will try to create the code one by one. For that first we need to go to developer tab and click on Visual Basic, or you can press Alt F11 to open the Visual Basic application. So press F11, our Visual Basic application is opened. Now here we will create a module, and there we create different macros for saving the vouchers. So go to insert module. So new module is created and name this module as save data. Save data, enter. So we got the module data. Now here we have to write the codes to save purchase voucher, sales voucher. So for that I will not write the code here now, just I will copy and paste the code. So let's copy paste. You can see here all these codes. So now blank, purchase data, invoice, date blank, purchase data, party name blank, and purchase data, address blank, and last one is purchase data, mobile number blank. So we have to this name range for purchase data, and we have to also create the voucher item list, and here it will be invoice item list, and here invoice item to delete. We have to create all these ranges. First we will create the name for invoice. Here is the invoice item list and invoice item to delete. So let's go to the file. Here the item list is range up to which we have created the item. Suppose here is one item, so this should be the range, and if there is 5 items, so this should be the range. So in this way let's create the range. So go to formula, name manager, and new, type invoice underscore. So here our name is invoice item list. Okay, now here the formula will be equal to offset bracket open, start from this range, comma 0 comma 0 comma, the height will be count of this range, bracket close, comma, the width will be 1 2 3 4 5 6, bracket close, click on OK. Yes, minus count a bracket open, c bracket close, comma, 1 column width, bracket close. So it's not working. Where is the problem? C2 starts from C2, then sales data C. 0 here is count A. So count A. Yes, now it's working. In the same way we have to do invoice date, party name, address, and mobile number. So I am showing you another one, then I will do it quickly. So new, it will be sales data underscore inv date underscore blank equal to offset bracket open, start from this cell, comma, how many rows to go down? Count a bracket open this column, bracket close, comma 0 to the right, comma height will be count a bracket open h minus count a bracket open d comma 1 bracket close. Let's see. Yes, it's working. So we have created all the ranges for invoice name, invoice date, party name, address and mobile number. Now we will create the name range for purchase data in the same way. So name, new, purchase data underscore inv name underscore blank equal to offset bracket open this cell comma count a bracket open select this one comma 0 comma count a h minus count a c comma 1 bracket close. Okay, so it is not working here because we have to type here 1 to c name range purchase invoice name blank. Yes, it is working. Then now we'll do it quickly. Okay, so we have created all the names. You can see here purchase data address. So here I have not given the blank. Let's go blank. Okay. So invoice name blank, invoice date blank, party name blank, address blank, and mobile number blank. Okay. And for sales INV number blank, INV date blank, sales party name blank, sales data address blank, sales data mobile blank. Okay, we have done all this. Now go to invoice. So here first our is purchase invoice, so it will be saved on purchase data. So here you can see for saving this data, first we have declared a variable eRow as long, and eRow equal to sheets purchase data dot sales rows count comma 3 and excel up offset 1 comma 0 dot row. That means it is giving the reference for this row number 13, and when it will add new data, it will give the last blank row. So let's see. So here first when we save the purchase invoice, then the item list dot copy, that means this is the item list, so it will be copied. Let's give here 5 piece, and here I will give 200. Okay, so now this is the range item list. It will be copied where? It will be copied to the last row 8th column. So go purchase data, last row is this one 13 and 8th row is this one. So here it will copy. So it will copy up to here. After that it will copy the invoice range D7. So invoice range D7 is serial number of the invoice. So it will be copied where the invoice num blank. That means when here these two values copied, then invoice num will be this one. Here the invoice number will be copied. After that we have 87, that is invoice date. So here it will be copied after that party name. So party name is, you can see here, D8. Here you can see D8. This is the party name. It will be copied to this cell, this two cell. Then address will be copied to cell, and mobile number will be copied to this two cell. This way all it will be copied. So it is, you can see all this. Then delete invoice item to delete clear content. That means here item to clear content is, you can see this column and this column. These four columns will be deleted. So after that, sheet invoice D7, that means this one will be changed to the last value of purchase data, that is 4. So here we will put last INV now. So what is the last invoice number? Last invoice number will be equal to, sorry, here we have to create a range for the invoice num. So new purchase data underscore INV num, and here the formula will be equal to offset bracket open this cell comma 0 comma count a bracket open this column -1 comma 1 bracket close. Okay, you can see the range is copied, but it is copied from here. So here it will be 1. Okay, yes, now it's okay. So we will get the last number, so equal to max bracket open purchase data invoice num bracket close enter. So last invoice number is 4 and it is on A3. So D7 will be changed to purchase data A3 plus 1. So A3 is 4. So here the invoice number will be changed to 5. And last is invoice D8 blank, D9 blank, A9 blank, D8, D9, H9. That is D9 is this one, D9 this one, D8 this one, and this one is H9. These three will be cleared. Now let's check from 4 it has become 5, and in purchase data this is added, you can see here. But the problem is at that time I have not seen the value was 4, it should be 5. And now the same way the code for sales data will work. See here, we have already created this range, and here it will be, let's see, it should be on A3. So here should be the another name range, new sales data underscore INV num, and the range will be equal to open this range comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma, and here will be -1. Here should be bracket close. Okay, yes, selected, and here we max sales data invoice num bracket close enter. So last invoice number is 3. So go to invoice and type here sales for now 3. So it will be 4, and the party name is suppose Ajit Saha, and address is Gangarampur, Mobile number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and item sold will be UPS one piece. Okay, okay, here it should be A3. Okay, now run this one. Here is one problem. Sales data and name blank. Here is problem. So reset this one. Here sales data, delete this one first, and okay, check here invoice num sales data invoice num is the sales data and num blank. So we got it here, sales data and name blank, and here it is sales data and num blank. You can see here the name is different, it is sale, so here it should be sales. Okay, let's check another. Okay, everything is okay. Now delete this one and go here, reset it and run it again. So it's okay, it has been run. From 4 it has been become 5, and in sales data the value is entered for 4th. This one all is set. So up to this it is okay. Now we will do when the value should be keyboard and the current stock should be shown. And if I select here mouse, here should be mouse and the current stock mouse should be shown. For that, on this sheet and click view code. So it is a worksheet code. So here and here select and delete this one, and here type if not intersect when target will be the invoice sheet invoice, and from D12 to D26 range D clone D26 is nothing then here it should be the value of the cell which I have changed. So A range A12 dot value equal to target dot value. Okay, now if I select, okay, it should be, if should be closed, so and if, so reset the button, and if I select here mouse, you can see it is changed. If I select here hard disk, it is changed, keyboard is changed. If I select here it is changed. Is the current stock of this item, so equal to index from the stock, so stock closing stock comma match bracket open match, the lookup value will be this one, comma lookup array will be stock item name comma 0 for exact match bracket close, enter. So we got 150 more. Delete this all. Here we are getting error message, so type here if error add end, then double quotation bracket close, enter. So if I select here keyboard, so keyboard is 195. Select here hard disk is 30. So we got the current stock of the item I have selected. Now here another thing we have to change, that is when we open this sheet, then automatically the today. So again, go here, view code, and here select activate, and here we will type the serial number, that is it will be taken from, if it is purchase invoice then it will be taken from purchase invoice last invoice number, and if here is sales invoice then it will be taken from sales data last invoice number. So here we'll go bracket open, then here the range is C, then if C2 equal to purchase invoice, then sheets purchase data dot range, it is A3. So range A3 dot value, else select this one, copy and paste it here, and here it will be. So let's check. Go to invoice, here is do and if, okay, and go to the invoice, and if I go to select delete this one, and here is a problem, data range A3 dot value. So here is purchase invoice. So here is the thing. So here it should be in dot range 7, yeah, dot value equal to sheet 3 sheets purchase data dot. So same thing here, copy paste. So you can see here one item list, where it is purchase, and so our purchase last data is 5, so it's coming 6, and here date should be, so it is 8/7. Here we will have bracket open, or you can just copy this. If I delete this one, you can paste it. You can delete here and manually this one, copy. Let me view. So we got here